Hey foodies, today we're making a super quick amla pickle. No gas, no sunlight, just mix and it's ready to eat. Tangy, spicy, and totally desi in style. First, take some fresh Indian gooseberries, or amla. Wash them well and cut them into small pieces. Now grind them lightly in a mixer, not a paste, just coarse. Take a big bowl and add that crushed amla. Add a spoonful of finely chopped garlic. Add a pinch of turmeric. Add 1 spoon salt. Add 1 spoon red chili powder, as spicy as you like. Taste check is must. Now add a pinch of roasted saunf, fennel seeds, and Zira cumin seeds, both crushed lightly. For that classic desi punch, mix everything nicely. No hurry, just blend the magic. And that's it. Your quick amla pickle is ready in minutes. No cooking, no waiting, only mixing and eating. Enjoy it with paratha, dal rice, or just a spoonful as a spicy tangy treat. Every bite gives you that zing of amla and the aroma of Indian spices. So guys, if you loved this quick pickle recipe, hit the like button, share it with your foodie friends, and don't forget to subscribe, because here, every recipe is desi in style, quick in time. Put all this in a box and eat it after 1, 2, 3 hours. Put it in an airtight container, refrigerate it, and eat it for up to a week or 10 days. Thank you for watching.